Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Raw Life Health Show. And I am a raw food eater. I've been eating a raw vegan diet now for over 25 years. And I absolutely love this way of living and love this lifestyle. And I have to laugh because I have an abundance of fruit and vegetables in front of me right now that I grew most of it, or local farms that I got from some yesterday. And my daughters were just telling me, there's no food in this house. And I'm like, we have fruit. You could have some fruit for breakfast. And they said, that's not food. We want real food. I'm like, this is real food. This is absolutely amazing. Well, I'm going to show you today what a couple of the things I picked up yesterday at local farms. And I know some of you say, well, you can't get this where you're living for whatever reason. And the surprising fact is you can, because through the mail, I'm going to put a link below the video, laurafarmsmiami.com. You can get many of these foods. But some of these are from my tree and some of these are not. You could order these through the mail. They are a little expensive, but people pay a lot of money for food in general, right? So we're going to look at some of these different foods today. Just a good variety of different fruits. Okay, so the first food today I'm going to look at is a mango. This is just to give you an idea of the many different varieties of mangoes that are out there. This one's called a lemon zest mango. Lemon zest mango. Now, I have some lemon meringue mangoes in my yard. This one's actually from my neighbor's yard. And believe it or not, it was bad on one side, but I cut the other side. The other side was perfect. And wow, those are absolutely amazing. You can get all these mangoes and all these other fruits at various websites here in South Florida. For mangoes, all different varieties of mangoes. You can order mangoes through the mail at tropicalacresfarms.com. I'll put the link below, but that's absolutely beautiful. Now, another one here is a mamey. This mamey is an amazing fruit from South Florida. It's called mamey sapote. And for the video's sake, I'm eating these all together. Normally, I'll just have a meal of mangoes or a meal of one of these, but not all usually together. But mamey sapote is amazing. Available right now, this variety you can get at laurafarmsmiami.com. I'll put that link below the video. Okay, the next thing we're going to be tasting is something that is currently, when it's in season, you can get it locally, but you can find this in specialty shops all over. I remember in New York they used to have it. This is a lychee. I was on a farm yesterday and they had a bunch of lychee trees. And lychee is an amazing fruit that's becoming more and more harder to get because it's there's a mite out here that's messing up with the trees, but that's a lychee, and there's a seed inside it. And it tastes like the most delicious grape you've ever had. So that's lychee. And then the last fruit I'm going to show you now is this. This is from my tree. This is called a white sapote. White sapote. Wow. Tastes like vanilla pudding. And this is to just give you a different idea of all the different fruits and different seasons. This stuff grows here in South Florida and all over. Up in New York now, in the summertime, you can grow cherries and apples, just amazing pears. Out west, you can grow persimmons. And you can grow stuff all over the country. Now's a great time to do that or get that at your local farmer's market. And I'm a big advocate of not overeating. And if I can control myself from overeating with these amazing fruits, I'm sure you can control yourself from overeating with poor selection of fruits that are available to many people in the stores today. But when we get filled, we need to walk away. And in the past, I have overeaten on fruits like this, but it took me a long time to be able to get control. And now I'm satisfied with a little of this great goodness. And it's really helping my raw food lifestyle, because even though you're eating the best foods, you can overdo them and it can make them the worst foods if that's the case. So enjoy your fruit, but don't overeat on fruit, okay? And have a great day, everybody. Remember, the links are below the video if you want to get some of these and try them. And I recommend you try the different types of fruits that are out there. They're absolutely amazing. Have a great day, everybody, and a great raw life.